Welcome to my new episode. Happy Mother's Day. In this video I am going to tell you 9 interesting fact about Mother Day. Before start, let me explain you shortly what is mean by Mother Day. A Mother's Day is a celebration honoring the mother of the family or individual, as well as motherhood, maternal bonds, and the influence of mothers in society. It is celebrated on different days in many parts of the world, most commonly in March or May. Hopefully you will be clear. Now let's to tell you about those facts. Listen carefully. Number 1. According to the world counts, there are around 385,000 babies born each day in the world. That's a lot of moms to celebrate. Number 2. Mother's Day isn't on the same date every year. It's always the second Sunday in May, so in 2024, it falls on Sunday, May 12th. Number 3. The Society of American Florists mentions that Mother's Day ranks high in terms of consumer spending on flowers and plants. According to the data, it sits at a solid second place, 26%, behind the combined Christmas and Hanukkah season, 29% in terms of total dollar volume spent. Number 4. Mother's Day is the busiest day for phone calls in the United States, with over 122 million calls being made in 2023. Number 5. The red carnation became the official Mother's Day flower in the US thanks to Anna Jarvis, the founder of the holiday. Red carnations symbolize admiration and respect. Number 6. Mother's Day 2023 smashed spending records, reaching a whopping $35.7 billion, according to the National Retail Federation (NRF). This marks the highest amount ever spent on the holiday, and continues a 5-year upward trend in celebrating moms. Number 7. Another popular gift given on Mother's Day is perfume, according to the United States Census Bureau. Number 8. Globally, the number of working mothers has been steadily increasing. According to the United States Census Bureau, around 72.3% of mothers with children under 18 years old are employed. No. 9. Mother's Day became a national holiday in the US in 1914, thanks to President Woodrow Wilson. So guys, hopefully you would like this video. So please subscribe this channel for more documentary and informative videos. See you in next video. Thank you.